Hello there, woodcarvers, and those of you who aspire to become one. If you are watching this, then that probably means two things. One, you are into wood carving and you have some new design ideas on your mind. And two, you have a Dremel rotation tool and you are thinking about buying and trying out new rotary tool bits. Like for many of us in the beginning, confronting the vast palette of Dremel wood carving bits for the first time can feel overwhelming. If there are so many types and shapes, how to choose the one you need, and at the same time make sure it has a good price-quality ratio? In case you are here seeking advice regarding power tool bits, I did my best to guide you through what the market has to offer at the moment. I am about to list some of the bit sets I think are a good choice. But before that, let's take a closer look at wood carving tools and bits to understand a bit better what we are dealing with. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yexgood 10 pieces tungsten carbide double cut rotary burr set. You might initially question the legitimacy of the brand name Yexgood, but rest assured, it's indeed a legitimate company. While their set of burrs is manufactured in China, it's still worth considering, and I'll explain why. This set includes 10 burrs crafted from tungsten carbide, a material renowned for its hardness second only to diamond. This durability makes them particularly effective for working with hardwoods, and they're even capable of cutting through iron and steel with ease. However, it's important to handle them with care as they can easily cause injury due to their sharpness. With a cutting-edge diameter of 6 mm equivalent to 1/4 inch, these burrs excel at fine, intricate work. Despite not being manufactured by Dremel, they are compatible with smaller Dremel rotary tools, adding to their versatility and appeal. Number 2. Apex Forge 357-piece burr set universal fitment. If you're looking for a diverse set of tools, the Apex Forge collection offers just that. Manufactured in the United States, this set boasts an impressive 357 pieces, providing a wide range of options for various tasks. However, it's worth noting that a significant portion of the set, approximately 150 pieces, consists of sanding papers. While this set caters to multiple needs beyond wood carving, woodcarvers can certainly find value in its selection of burrs. In terms of grinding capabilities, there's a variety of diamond needles, along with grinding wheels crafted from aluminum oxide and silicon carbide materials known for their strength, albeit as more affordable alternatives to diamond. Additionally, rubber grinders and wheels are included for added versatility. When it comes to sanding, the set offers a range of options including shanks, slim and wide bands, and various sanding papers. For cutting tasks, diamond and fiberglass wheels are available, providing users with ample options to suit their needs. Overall, the Apex Forge set provides a comprehensive array of tools, suitable for a variety of woodworking and crafting applications. Number 3. Goksavi 20 PCS diamond-coated pieces rotary bit set. This set features a diverse range of 10 burr shapes including cylinders, spheres, and pointed tips, each available in 2 different sizes. These fluted burrs are designed with a coarse 60 grit surface, catering to intricate and detailed work. With shank dimensions of just 3 mm equivalent to 1/8 inch, they're specifically tailored for precision tasks. Enhanced with a diamond coating, these burrs offer increased hardness, adding to their durability and effectiveness. Despite being produced at a more affordable cost, they still offer promising performance and are certainly worth considering. Moreover, they are universally compatible with Dremel rotary tools, ensuring ease of use and versatility for users across various projects and applications. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.